happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are going to move to part 3 of this chapter. I know this chapter is very lengthy, but we will do 1 or 2 topics in a video. Okay. Now, today we are going to move to part 3. Today we will learn viewing and organizing slides. Now, there are different views available to us, okay, to organize the slides as well as to view the slides in different forms. Now, PowerPoint offers various modes to view presentation. Each view is best suited for a particular purpose. Now, each and every view has a particular purpose and it is best suited for that purpose. Now, the number of views we are having are normal view, slide sorter view, reading view and the outline view. These are the 4 views, the 4 number of views which we are having in PowerPoint presentation. Okay. The 5th one today we will learn is a notes page. Now, you can find PowerPoint views at 2 places. Now in PowerPoint software and application, we can find these views at 2 places. First, we can find in the view tab or we can find at the bottom right side of the status bar. Come on, I will show you. See dear children. Now, this is the bottom right side of the status bar. Yes, here we are having normal view. This is a slide sorter view. This is a reading view and this last icon is for the slide show. Okay. Or else you can find the views, different views in the view tab. Okay. You will click here. Then you are having normal view, slide sorter, notes page, reading view. Here we are having the outline view as well. Okay. We will see how it appears when we will read them, okay, one by one. Let's go back to our presentation. Okay. Now we will learn first of all about normal view. Now the normal view is the main editing view where you write and design your presentation. This is a default view of a presentation. This view has 3 parts. Now we have seen, as you have seen earlier, the default view of the presentation is known as a normal view. Okay, where we write and design our slides, where we write and design our presentation using office themes or backgrounds or formatting backgrounds or colors with all that. Okay. Now it is divided into 3 parts. Okay. The slide navigation pane displays thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. You can move, add or delete slide in this pane. Click the thumbnail of a slide to view it in a slide pane. Now, you have seen on the left side of your presentation there is a slide navigation pane where we move, add or delete the slide, where we have learned how to duplicate and how to reuse the slide. Remember children, it was in the first video lesson. Okay. Now, in the same way, in the normal view, we are having the slide navigation pane. The slide pane displays an enlarged view of the current slide. This is your work area. You can add text, pictures, smart art, videos, audio, etc. to your slide here. We have learned all this, yes, in our previous video lesson. The note pane is used to type notes relevant to a particular slide in your presentation. You can refer to these notes for that slide while you are writing or you are having your presentation. See dear children. This is a normal view of the presentation. Yes, it is a normal view and default view of your PowerPoint presentation. Then, this is a slide navigation pane. Yes, this is a slide pane where you add text, pictures, smart art, videos, audios, etc. And the third part is to click to add notes. Understood? Is it clear to you? Next, we are having outline view. The outline view shows the text going on the slides in the slide navigation pane. This view allows you to quickly edit your slide text and view the text of multiple slides at once. You can type directly in the outline view to make changes to the slide text. Now, where this view is available? See, this is available in the slide navigation pane. here you are having outline. Once you click it, see all the text which is there in all the slide, it is being presented here. You can quickly, now we are currently working on this slide, so this text is being highlighted. Okay, you can quickly edit the text, okay, in this outline view. Understood? You can quickly edit the text also, and you can quickly view all the text in your presentation. आप देख भी सकते हैं पूरा टेक्स्ट आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन में, एज वेल एज आप कुछ भी चेंजेस भी कर सकते हैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन में विद द हेल्प ऑफ द आउटलाइन व्यू अवेलेबल इन द स्लाइड नेविगेशन पेन. Clear to you, dear children? Yes. Next we are having the slide sorter view. The slide sorter view is used to see all the slides of the presentation in a miniature small form on the screen. Means छोटे फॉर्म में दिखता है. It makes easy to add, delete and move slide. अब ये क्या करता है, हमारे लिए work easy करता है this view so that we can add, move or delete the slide. To open a slide in the normal view, just double click it. Now I will show you. See, this is our view tab. This is our slide sorter view. Here you will click in the presentation views. Now to open that slide, you have to just double click on that slide. Understood? You have to just do a click on the slide sorter, okay, and then you can view all the slide in the miniature form, means in the small form. Is it clear to you? Yes. Next we will be having the reading view. Now the reading view is used when you don't want to view a presentation in the full screen slideshow view, but in a window with some simple controls that makes the presentation easier to view. Now dear children, when you are reading the books also, okay, आप जैसे books read करते हैं, in the same way there is a reading view in the presentation when we don't want to view the presentation in a full screen slideshow view. There is a simple reading view also. We can see that in the view tab. Here we are having the reading view. See, now this view enables, okay, the reading view enables the slide from the first slide which we are having in the presentation. Okay, it will enable from the first slide which we'll be having in the presentation, and to go back to a presentation, just press the escape key. Clear? Just press the escape key, then you are again back to your normal view. Is it clear to you, dear children? Yes. Next we are having the notes page. You can add notes to the slide in your presentation. If you click the note page view, while you will be taken to the page view with the slide, the top half and the text box below, it will add to your notes. These are useful to help you remember important points, okay, and are called special and are called speakers note. They cannot be seen in the audience. Now here we are having click to add notes. If you are adding any of your notes, like for example refer page number 79 of your textbook. Now this note will be added, okay, this note is added by me and it cannot be viewed by the audience who is seeing my presentation. This is for me. These notes are known as speaker notes. Clear to you, dear children? These are known as speaker notes. Okay, now we are having a small worksheet based on today's video lesson. You have to just fill in the blanks. Now there are some blanks given to you. PowerPoint 2016 offers dash views to organize the slides. You have to write the number of views. Okay, the number of views we have learned today in our video lesson. The dash view is the main editing view where you can write and design your presentation. The default view, remember the name? Yes? Very good. The dash pane displays the thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation. Now this we have already studied, yes? So dear children, you have to fill all these blanks. First you will watch the video very carefully and you will get all the answers very easily, dear children. Just watch the video very carefully. We will meet next time with something more interesting in this chapter, and we will meet with the last part of this chapter. Okay? Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all, dear children.